nice swing. See Super Bob just down there. Been on that so many times in so many places now. Very quiet start to the fair. It's taken a little while to get loaded up. As you can see, there's absolutely no one on there. I've got a private ride. There's a view over the fair. Really good selection of rides here. There's at least one fun house down there. That'll be really good. Go on that shortly. There's a Waltzer. We've got Freak Out, All Extreme. The Air Raid, Miami, Tagada. That might be quite fun later on. 2 Tagadas, I apologise. 2. It's not huge this fair, but they do make the most of the space. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi. Oh, how very cool. Lots of smaller rides for the kids as well. I won't be going on those today, obviously. It's nice to know they're here. Plenty of food stalls, plenty of game stalls, lots to keep you busy. Seems to be fairly priced as well. This was £3. Isn't too bad for a fair. Paid much more than that for much smaller rides. Decent cycle so far as well. Super Bob down there. I went on Super Bob earlier in the year actually, a fun fair in Leeds, Roundhay Park, and it was probably the best cycle I've ever had on a fun fair ride. So check that video out if you haven't seen it. The full vlog is on the channel. That fair was a little bit bigger than this, not massive in comparison to be fair. There's a decent number of rides here. Imagine the atmosphere will be much more alive at night. I will take it as it comes. It looks awesome with the lights. Everybody's got a nice lighting package as well. That's it, nearly 4 minutes, £3, not too bad, good start.